Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. This is your teacher Ms. Yusra Mughal, and I welcome you again in a virtual class which is organized by Metropolitan School. So my dear students, what we are going to do today, we are going to do two letters today, right? So the first letter is letter to the editor of a newspaper on load shedding, and the other one is letter to your class teacher requesting to be made the monitor of the class. So my dear students, have you seen that both of the two letters are the formal letters? So what are the pattern which we followed in the formal letter? Firstly, I will describe you the pattern of the first letter, then the next one, right? So in the very first letter, whom we are writing to the editor, the name of the paper, the newspaper, the Daily Dawn, Karachi, right? Then what you will have to do, you will have to write the subject, then respected sir, right? Then you will have to starting from here and write down the whole matter on which you will have to write down the letter, and at the last you will have to write your sincerely citizens of the, if you want to write down the name of the area, so you will have to write down the area. I am writing citizens of Karachi, and the same is date, right? So this is the pattern which you will have to follow while you are writing the letter to the editor of a newspaper. Now the next letter is letter to your class teacher requesting to be made the monitor of the class. So how will you write the letter? You will have to write it down like the class teacher, Metropolitan School, Karachi, right? Again the subject, respected miss or teacher, and again you will have to write down the matter on which you will have to write down the application, right? Starting from here, and then at the end, yours obediently, your name, right? I am writing XYZ over here. You will have to write down your name because you are supposed to write the application only for you, not for the whole class, right? And the date, right? This is how you will have to write down both of the two letters. I have discussing the pattern of the letter. Now let's moving towards another thing, that is comprehension. Now what is comprehension? Comprehension is based, we have two type of comprehension. One is seen and the other one is unseen. Now what is seen and what is unseen? Seen comprehensions are from the chapters which is included in your syllabus, and unseen are from any of the source. What you will have to do in this comprehension, there is a passage or a paragraph is given, in which under that paragraph there are some questions given, and you will have to write down the answers of those questions from finding it from the passage, right? And another thing is story writing. You have done so many stories in your copies as well. What you will have to do in the story writing, we will have to add the vocabulary meanings, the phrases, idioms meaning, and the phrasal verb meanings of the taught lesson in, and by using those all the meanings we'll have to make the story, right? A story in a form of paragraph, as you have seen in the paper as well, that we have given the story to you people, right? So this is how these things should be done, and these all things should be done in your grammar copy. So here I am explaining you a comprehension in front of you. This is the unseen comprehension which is I have taken from some other book, right? So here I am reading this. Hundreds of years ago, before sugarcane was grown, man used honey to make their food sweet. They used to get this honey from the nets of wild bees. Now man keep bees in hives, so it is easier for man to get it. The most important bee is called the queen bee. The honey is gathered from the flowers by the worker bees. They carry it to the hives and put it into little wax cup called cellars, right? So now here are some questions given for which you will have to write down the answers. So now let's moving towards number 1, that how did man get honey? Man used honey to make their food sweet, and they used to get this honey from nets of the wild bees, right, from here till here. So we are writing the answer. They used to get honey from the nets of the wild bees, right? Next one is, what is the most important bee called? So we have read that the most important bee is called the queen bee. The most important bee is called the queen bee. Next is, how is the honey gathered? So moving towards here, the honey is gathered from the flowers by the worker bees. Now what is the work of the worker bees? So they gathered honey and carry it to the hives and put it into little wax cups called cellars, right? There is another question, write second form of the carry and keep. So what is the second form of the carry? Carry, carried, keep, kept. This is how this comprehension should be done in your copies, right? This is the unseen comprehension. You can take it as an example. The other one comprehension is given to you in the PDF forms, right, my dear students? So this is enough for today. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.